Hey guys, welcome back to How to Online. In this video, I'm going to show you how to stream Netflix with proper audio, right, in Discord. So the very first thing, if you want to share a screen, you can share a screen just by clicking here. But if you want to share a screen with a proper audio, then you have to just go to the setting here, and here you have to just go below down and you can see the option that is a register games, right? And you can only see the register games if you download the PC version application on your PC or laptop, right? It is not available in the mobile, it is not available in the website. So here you have to let me just remove it to show you properly. So my Netflix is on in my browser, so I will just click on the ad, and whatever browser you are using, just write the name. So I'm using a Brave browser. If you're using a Chrome browser, then write the name and just click on the ad game, right? And just turn off this, right? And we will close here, and here you will get the new feature, that is a Stream Brave. So just click on the Stream Brave and just select the audio here, and just select the resolution and all that, and just click on the go live. And here it is very easy to turn on the, and now you can just stream the Netflix from your browser, guys. So this is pretty easy. I hope you found this video really useful, and if you did, make sure to like this video, subscribe channel. See you guys in the next video.